When the sun sets low over the water and the breeze whispers through the trees, there's a cottage waiting to be discovered, a retreat that'll put your mind at ease. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, with a sun deck and a private dock, where the waves gently lap against the shore, and tranquility is what you unlock. Come and dance with me by the moonlight in this Muskoka lakefront retreat. Escape from the world, leave your worries behind. Let the jazz notes carry you to peace. Let the jazz notes carry you.